What's up, peeps? This is Day One Tech, and today I got an accessory for your cell phone. This is by a company called 7RYMS, and this is the 7RIG T1. This is a cool little gadget here, everyday carry. A couple of the features on it: it's got an integrated carabiner, so it's easy to hook and carry on things. There's your carabiner clip. It's got a versatile three-fold design. So see how it opens up like this, and then these feet come out, opens it up. So it opens up like that. Double-sided magnetic design, magnetically. So you got the part here for the, goes on the phone, quick connect right there. And then this is a magnet here, so you can stick it to other things, and it's a pretty powerful magnet. I mean, literally, you can stick it like this and then on your refrigerator, and then if you wanted to shoot like a selfie or something like that, do some vlogging, you can have it like this. And these magnets are on there pretty tight, like that. Now, I wouldn't go shaking it or hooking it to a car, but you put it on there and it's going to be stationary, you're good to go. It's also got this Arca Swiss connector on the bottom here. And Arca Swiss is pretty much a universal connector, so I can put this on a tripod, a stand, or something like that. And it's got the quarter on the bottom also, so I can screw that in and use different adapters. So if I want to use my phone on a tripod with this stand, I like the way that this folds up. It's got the carabiner, it's magnetic. The only issue that I'm having with this, and hopefully they can get this taken care of, or maybe they can tell me, this hinge at the top here, after using it for a while, it loosens up and there's no way to tighten it there, and then it doesn't hold that. Now if I put pressure here, it will start to hold it. So I don't know how I can tighten that. So if I want to have it locked into place at more of an angle like that, now I can keep this straight. Like, there's no way for me to get it into a different angle. I mean, with the different stand, I can do that, but it would be nice if I could tighten that back up somehow, and then I could tilt it. Well, for a stand, it works great. Lots of different options. I definitely would suggest it. It's just this one part right here that I'm not liking too much, but there's ways to get around, and you can still get the different angles that you want to get with it, because it's got that trifold, so you can always adjust it that way. So if you got any questions, hit me up. Thanks for watching this video. Hey, hit that like button for me and subscribe if you're not already subscribed.